Want to earn recurring commissions promoting one of the most powerful tools in online marketing? In this video, I'll show you how to make money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, even if you're a complete beginner. ClickFunnels isn't just a funnel builder, it's also home to one of the most profitable affiliate programs in the industry. As a ClickFunnels affiliate, you can earn monthly recurring commissions by simply sharing your affiliate link with people who need funnel building solutions. Let's start with the basics. When you sign up as a ClickFunnels affiliate, you'll get access to a dashboard where you can find your unique affiliate links. These links track every referral you send to ClickFunnels, and you earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. ClickFunnels offers a generous recurring commission structure. That means you keep earning month after month, as long as your referrals remain subscribed. So how do you promote your link and start earning? There are many ways to do it: YouTube videos, blog posts, social media, email marketing, and even paid ads. You don't need a huge audience. What you need is targeted traffic. Focus on people who are actively looking to build sales funnels, launch products, start a business, or scale their online presence. Creating valuable content around sales funnels is a powerful strategy. You can review ClickFunnels features, compare it with other tools, create how-to tutorials, or share your own funnel building journey. Another smart method is offering bonuses. Give your audience a reason to buy through your link, like funnel templates, training, or private support. Bonuses help you stand out from other affiliates and build trust. ClickFunnels also gives you access to promote their other offers, like courses, books, and events, which can help you earn even more. And the best part? You don't need to own the product. You're simply recommending a proven tool that's helped over 100,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. If you stay consistent, keep learning, and focus on helping people, the ClickFunnels affiliate program can become a serious income stream. Check the video description below for your free affiliate sign-up link, bonus training, and top strategies to boost your earnings. And don't forget to subscribe to ClickFunnels Review for more tutorials, reviews, and proven ways to grow your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.